Hello, this is Landen, a Funny Sounds, episode number 2. I know it's been a long time since I made the second one. The first one was kind of like probably a month, probably like 2 weeks, 3. Well, anyways, this is the same room I practice in. This is like my room that I like to practice stuff in. I call it my practice room. You like the name? Because I do. Well, we are going to do this thing. And the thing is going to be, I made up a new funny sound. Isn't that so awesome? Well, since it's so awesome, do you want to hear some more? And now these are the sounds that I made last time. That's a piano sound. I can make piano sounds with my mouth. Alright. Now this is a fun one. Does it kind of sound like maracas, kind of? But the last one kind of was lower. Alright, these are the ones that I did from last time. Alright. And also, next episode, you might get a bonus episode. And it might be 30 minutes or something. I do not know. But this is going to be the next one. Alright, that was the next sound. Now, this video has ended.